All right, join me on page 494 of your reading textbook. Our vocabulary for this week: modern, active, erupt, billow, energy, reclaim, ancient, crater. Some of the skills: thesaurus, shades of meaning, are found in words that are related, such as ancient and old. Although their meanings are similar, ancient means very, very old, while old can mean something that is no longer new. So shades of meaning kind of has to do with like the two words small and tiny, for example. Which one would be considered something smaller? Something that is small or something that is tiny? Well, you would say tiny is something that is smaller than something that is just simply referred to as small. So that's what it means by shades of meaning. Both of those words mean similar, but one we associate with something even smaller. Okay. All right, follow along. Volcanoes from outer space. Everyone knows that Earth has volcanoes, but did you know you can also find volcanoes in outer space? It's true. Scientists think the planet Venus may have more than 100,000 volcanoes. Astronomers have also found volcanoes on Jupiter's moons. And the planet Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system. I didn't know that. In some ways, the volcanoes modern astronomers have discovered in outer space are similar to the ones we know about on Earth. So there are some similarities and some differences, so we can compare and contrast these two. On our planet, an active volcano is also called a working volcano because it will erupt from time to time. When a volcano erupts, hot melted rock called lava and gases swell and billow up out of the volcano from deep below Earth's surface. The energy released by an eruption can equal millions of tons of dynamite. Okay, continuing, page 495. More than 80% of Earth's surface comes from volcanoes. Countless eruptions over billions of years created lava flows that formed the seafloor and even some mountains in some areas. After the lava cooled, people came to reclaim or move back into certain areas. The ancient city of Pompeii was built on a prehistoric lava field from the nearby volcano, Mount Vesuvius. It is the same on Mars, where three ancient volcanoes, millions of years old, have helped shape the surface of the planet. So that's one way they're similar. Volcanoes on Mars and volcanoes on Earth both helped shape the surface of the planet. Like many volcanoes on Earth, so here's another similarity, like many volcanoes on Earth, the volcanoes on Mars are shield volcanoes. This means they have a crater or a large hole at the top and gently sloping sides. The giant volcanoes on Mars, however, are truly huge. So this is a way they're different. The largest, called Olympus Mons, is 16 miles high. Compare that to Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, which is only a little more than 5 miles high. And while the largest volcano on Earth, Mauna Loa in Hawaii, is 70 miles across, Olympus Mons is more than 340 miles wide. So the volcanoes on Mars can be much larger than the volcanoes here on Earth. Why do volcanoes on Mars get so big? One reason is because Martian gravity is only about 1/3 as strong as Earth's. Martian volcanoes can grow larger because, unlike volcanoes on Earth, so this is a way they're different, they are not pulled down by gravity. That's another way they're different. They're not pulled down by gravity on Mars. On Earth, they are pulled down by gravity more fiercely. Okay, compare and contrast. When you compare and contrast characters or events, you tell how they are alike and how they are different, which we've been talking about for these volcanoes. This will help you to understand the text structure the author has used. To identify a compare and contrast text structure, look for signal words such as like, just as, both, and similar to signal that things are alike. Words such as different, but, and unlike signal the things that are different. Use a Venn diagram to compare and contrast information as you reread Volcanoes from Outer Space. And your compare and contrast chart can be found in your Google Classroom. All right, thanks for following along, and I'll see you on the next one.